Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I edit my thumbnails. This is very essential for those in the YouTube world, so if you guys would like to know how I edit my thumbnails, just continue watching. So the first thing that you want to do is download an app called PicJointer, or it's called Photo Collage, but I put a screenshot of it right next to the screen so you guys could see. But I opened that app and I chose about 2 pictures that I wanted to use. So I got these 2 pictures that I got off Instagram. You know, these are just 2 basic pictures of me, just so I can show you guys an example of how I really get it done. And you guys see at the bottom where it says aspect ratio, you want to bring that down to about there, that last Instagram box, but not all the way down there. And that's the size of a YouTube thumbnail, so you want to adjust that as well. So this could be pictures of stuff that you do throughout the week. If it's like a vlog, you could put like a picture of a drink, or like a picture of yourself, a picture of your nails, you know, and just edit it in that way. But I just chose these 2 pictures just to show you guys how it works. Right now I'm just adjusting the outer margin. So you see how there's like a white outline. So I want to take away that white outline. I don't want to see any white at all. You know, that's your preference if you want to keep it like that or not, but I prefer not to have that white outline. So I'm just taking that away, and that looks pretty good. So right now I'm just adjusting this picture, making it a little bit bigger, as you guys can see, and making the other one smaller. And you want to just play around with it, make it aesthetically pleasing to anyone who's going to watch your video. So right now I'm just saving it, and I'm about to go to the next step, which is my Fonto app. I put a picture of the app right next to this just so you guys could see, but it's called Fonto. And I'm going to take that picture that I just edited on the PicJointer app and add it onto there. And it's already the perfect size for the YouTube thumbnail because I did it in the other app, so it's perfectly fine. And right now I'm just going to literally just edit it. So let's see what I did first. Okay, I added a text first. So right now I'm gonna just type up how I edit my thumbnails. And right now I'm just playing with the text, so I just don't want it to block my face at all. So I kind of just play around with it and make sure it's not blocking any of the pictures. So I'm gonna put thumbnails down below so it doesn't block my face. So you want to just really just play around with it, guys, and just make it your own. So now we're just going to add a little bit more definition to the text. So I went to stroke, and I added like I added a stroke to it. I guess that's what it's called. But I made it black, as you guys can see, and I did the same thing for the other one. I made the stroke black and pretty thick. And then another thing that I like to do is I like to go back to style, and then on the top where it says color and style, you want to go to the style side and then just add like a cute little outline. So you see how it's like a cute little faded outline. So I put like a light pink faded outline just to give it a little bit more pizzazz. You know, you don't want it to look dull. You want people to click on your thumbnail, so you got to make it interesting, okay? So you want to add as much colors and depth as you can. So that's what it's looking like right now. I think right here I also added, like, I faded out the white of the original text. I went to alpha and I kind of faded it out a little bit, just a little, just to give it like some character as well. So I did that to both sections. Alright, so the next thing that I did is I went to the side here and clicked add item. So they also have like different stickers that you can add as well. So I chose this little circle sticker, and I'm just going to place that somewhere that I feel like would fit. And on this little circle, I will probably put something, you know, like a few words that will really anticipate the watcher to really click my video. So on this circle right here, I'm gonna put apps I use plus more. And what this is going to do is this is going to really attract the viewer to click on my video. Like, what apps did you use and what more are you adding to this video to have value and, you know, actually want me to watch it? Okay, so I actually went in and changed the color, but you know, that's all a part of the process of editing your thumbnail. You're gonna pick and choose which colors you want and which will go with the theme. So that's what I did. The next thing I'm gonna show you is a website that I use to actually get different types of font. It's called DaFont, D-A-F-O-N-T. So if you guys search that on Google, it should show up as this website. And this website has a whole bunch of fonts that you could choose from. So if you feel like the ones that I used was too dull or too boring, you could literally use any type of font that you can find on here, which I love this website. So once you do choose your font, you wanna click on the font that you want. Okay, I chose that one and I just click download. It literally downloads to your phone, and then you want to go on like your files or whatever, click on it, and also make sure you save it to the Fonto app so that it can show up on the app. Once it's saved, you can go back onto the Fonto app and go to text, add text, and then you're going to see like the regular text that come with the Fonto app, and then you're going to see my fonts. So you're going to find your font right there. I think this is the font that we downloaded, so I'm just showing you guys an example of how you can literally get any type of font to put on your thumbnail. I'm not actually going to add this, but I'm just showing you guys how you can add any type of font to your thumbnail. Next, I'm going to put you guys on to one more thing. Yes, I said that I was going to show you the apps, but I said that I had more too, so I'm keeping my word. I'm gonna go on Google and type up camera lens, or like, what did I type up? Camera outline. Okay, and then once I find an outline that I like and that I can actually use, I'm gonna save it onto my phone, and then I'm going to use this app called the Eraser app. I'm gonna have it screenshotted right next to this video so you guys can see what it looks like. But I just erased the background, and the app is super easy, like it's super easy to follow. But I literally just erased the background, and then I use this as my little, you know, just to add a little pizzazz to my thumbnail, make it look like it's a video. So I thought that was really, really cute too. And I highly, highly, highly recommend downloading the Eraser app, because you can literally take anything and add it to your video. You can literally save a picture of a bottle of your favorite shampoo or something on the internet and literally erase the background and add it to your thumbnail. So you can add anything to your thumbnail with the Eraser app, and I definitely recommend using that app for all your thumbnail needs. And yeah, guys, that is it for this video. This is the final thumbnail. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from this video, hopefully. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any other additional questions, you can always drop them down below. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video.